The experimental study of the original Bugatti Bolide was created as a racetrack-oriented hyper-sports car, with minimal bodywork and maximum downforce. It's not all just for drama and headlines. This car's lightweight construction pays homage to Bugatti's motorsport exploits of the 1920s. It looks like a road-going Formula One car and has a dimpled scoop on the roof with a world-first morphable outer skin, a massive rear diffuser, and a crazy rear wing, all built to enhance performance through better aero efficiency and thus traction. More exposed carbon fiber is visible here than on any other Bugatti, but there's still a traditional color split, of which various configurations will be available. At the front, X-shaped running lights are unlikely to shine much light on the road ahead, but this is a race car, so that doesn't matter. Centerlock forged magnesium wheels aim to suck hot air from the ceramic braking system, while the full-width wing at the rear extends past the highest point of the strip-led taillights that converge on a quad-exit exhaust finisher. This looks a lot like an enlarged Lego block or an alien cannon. The central fin that meets up with the wing is just as dramatic as the fact that the wheels are partially covered by the wing, and have the diffuser taking up part of their width. The whole thing looks mental, and we hope there will be few changes, if any, in final production form. As a track car, we feel optimistic that the design will remain radical. With the same 8.0-litre quad-turbo W16, all-wheel drive, and 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox found in other Bugatti products, the Bolide Experimental would have had plenty of grunt with a stock engine. However, Bugatti wanted more. In the concept, 1,824 horsepower and 1,364 pound-foot of torque are achieved with the aid of, among other things, 110-octane racing fuel. However, in production form, the Bolide will only have 1,578 horsepower and 1,180 pound-foot of torque on 98 RON fuel. Simulations run on the concept in full weapons-grade spec suggested the Bolide could do 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.17 seconds, and get from 0 to 124 miles per hour in 4.36 seconds. Top speed is estimated to be well above 310 miles per hour, and Bugatti claims that the Bolide should be able to go from rest to its top speed and back to a stop in just 33.62 seconds. Expect these figures to worsen slightly with several hundred horsepower less on tap in production form. That all sounds incredible, but Bugatti's designers and engineers are currently honing the aerodynamics and handling, and are developing the Bolide in line with international FIA safety standards. That means that we could see some changes to the final product, and with the original concept featuring titanium fasteners throughout and some components made from 3D printed aerospace titanium alloy, it could make sense for Bugatti to simplify the design somewhat. We hope that the changes, if any are visible, will be minimal, but we highly doubt that the finished product will be anything but spectacular. What we do know is that the production car will weigh 3,196 pounds, and will boast an automatic fire extinguishing system, pressure refueling via a fuel bladder, 6-point harnesses, and a hand system for maximum driver safety.